Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Jurassic World Evolution 3 gamepad or controller not working. So the very first method is to restart your PC and Steam as well. So for that, first go to Steam, then click on exit. After that, click on Windows icon over here, then click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your system also. After restarting both of them, now check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to update controller drivers. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now go below here, expand human interface devices. Now select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and click on search automatically for drivers. So this will update your controller drivers. After updating it, restart your system once and then check if controller is working or not. If not, next is to enable or disable Steam input. For that, go to Steam, under the library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on controller. Here you have to select enable Steam input and then check if controller is working or not. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input, and after that try to launch the game and see controller or gamepad is working or not. If not, next is to press Alt plus Enter keys. So many experts suggest to press Alt plus Enter keys, as this is one of the best trick to resolve such kind of unexpected issue. So you can try it once and then check if it's working. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to library section on Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will verify the game files. After verifying, check if controller is working. If not, next is to check for game updates. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game again and check if it's working. So here where you can see the play option, here you will be able to see update option. You just have to click on update, and after updating, check if controller or gamepad is working or not. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search over here, search for check for updates. Now here you have to click on check for updates option. Available will be here. So you have to click on it, and after updating your Windows, now check if the gamepad is working or not. If not, then some other troubleshooting tips you can follow is the clear cache on Steam. For that, go to Steam, click on Steam option over here, click on settings, after that click on downloads, and then here clear download cache. Beside there is clear cache. You simply need to click on clear cache, and after clearing the cache, check if gamepad or controller is working or not. Next is to, if using wired plug for your controller, then unplug it and replug it once again and then check if the issue is fixed. Or else you can also use the big picture mode for Jurassic World Evolution 3 game. So here is the big picture mode. You simply have to click on it, and once you launch big picture mode, you have to play the Jurassic World Evolution 3 game on it, and once it's played, then again exit from big picture mode, and after that check if gamepad or controller is working or not. So these are few solutions to fix gamepad or controller not working in Jurassic World Evolution 3 game. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.